my name is Jalen, and I watch all of your videos, and I think you're pretty cool. But I need some advice. My friend named Celeste has been going out with this guy named Andrew for about a month. Anyways, on his MySpace page, there's this girl named Stephanie. On Stephanie's page, it said that her and Andrew have been going out for 3 months. Well, Celeste broke up with Andrew, and Andrew called Celeste, but she didn't answer. He called again, and she didn't answer. Well, he just called me to ask why she broke up with him. I said it was because that girl named Stephanie. She found out that you were cheating on her with her. He said he would never cheat on Celeste, and that he loved her so much, and that girl was obsessed with him. So, we need help. We don't know what Andrew is doing. We don't know if he's lying or not. So, what would you do? Me and Celeste are best friends, and I hate to see her get hurt. I am